Hi my dear awesome people, I'm Sam and welcome back to my channel. Around this time yesterday, I was watching a Tamil movie called Bhairava, which I've seen several times, but this time I noticed a scene where actor Vijay rolled a coin in his fingers. I thought it was so cool. So I went to find the scene on YouTube and found many people do that in many movies like Real Genius, Tombstone, and my favorite movie of them all, Pirates of Caribbean. I was like, I need to do that thing, so here I am. The first time I tried to do it, it was a disaster. I wasn't even able to move the coin from one finger to the next. I typed how to do a coin roll in YouTube and I started watching some tutorial videos. After spending 30 minutes on a bunch of YouTube videos, I've kind of learned two main things. Before going to that, I've also given a bunch of YouTube videos in the description for you guys that I found useful. So, coming back to the two main things. First is the coin size. The coin needs to be bigger than your finger. If it's smaller, it's hard to move, so I changed from this coin to this, which is bigger. Second is, as you all know, is practice, which I need a lot. Now, the method goes like this. Use your thumb to slide the coin to the index finger. Next, raise your middle finger and flip the coin to the middle finger. Then, raise your ring finger and flip the coin onto the ring finger. And now comes the tricky part. Raise your pinky and push the coin between the ring finger and the pinky. Then, using your thumb, move the coin back to the index finger. Simple as that. While explaining, it seems easy, but when we do it, it really tests our patience. I tried and tried for an hour and the coin was always slipping from my fingers. So I brought a bunch of more coins because I got totally tired of picking the coin from the floor every single time it falls. After trying for around 90 minutes, my hands started to feel shaky and my palms got sweaty, which made it hard to balance. So I took a break for around 30 minutes, watched some anime, had a cup of hot tea, and I was back for trying it. I really felt better after the break. At last, after 2.5 hours, I started to have some successful attempts. Not as smooth and fast I wanted it to be, but I got the hang of it. 45 minutes in, I got it. Even though I'm tired and my hands are shaking, I feel so great. Looking at this is so satisfying. I realized some things from my experience. You need dry fingers. If your hands are sweating like mine, you need to rub it often and it will be dry. Because if it's not dry, your coin's going to slipping from your hands very often. And also, you need to take breaks. After every break, I had major improvement. And the last thing is practice, which makes all the difference. Also, don't forget to subscribe guys. Many more videos coming soon. Also, if you guys learn to roll a coin after watching this video, make a video of it, post it on Instagram and tag me. My Insta handle is right here and also in the description. I will do a shout out for you guys in my next video. Let's learn and grow together. Thanks for watching this video.